welcome back to episode 6 of Classic Mini Restoration. This is 1989. The floor's out, as you can probably see, and if you've watched the last video. I've tidied back the toe board up front there, all that's cleaned back. I haven't drilled any holes yet, so I want to see how far the floor comes up. So I'll do that next. But I did say the next job will be I'm going to paint these door steps. I'm going to etch prime them first. I've already sanded this back with a bit of Scotch-Brite to sort of scuff it up a little bit to help the paint adhere. So that's done. The other side is actually painted, but I'm going to go over it again because it's been damaged through taking the floor off and marked and grinding sparks and whatnot all over it. So both sides will hopefully be painted. Just had word the floor should be here tomorrow. We did actually receive a floor, but it's going back because it was damaged. I won't disclose the company. It's pissed me off, to be honest. I don't want to put it any other way. I've got the time now to crack on with it, and it's come damaged. So, and I'm not accepting that because they're not cheap. So crack on with this. Hopefully it'll be here tomorrow. I just want to get it off my head. I want to see it all lined up. I want to see it looking new again. Because right now it looks very sorry for itself. And my poor other half came out and saw it last night and thought, whoa. But we both understand it is the right way to go. So there was so much rust in that floor, and if we ever needed to sell anything, this wouldn't be the one that goes. It's a lot of sentimental attachment. So like I said at the beginning of the first video, we do it once, do it right, or as best we can. I'll spin you around and I'll show you what we're tackling, and then we'll go from there. Before I do that, it's using some weld through primer to etch along the inside, and then the colour of the car is Night Fire Red. I know this is Halfords colour, but to be honest, it matches really well and you're never going to see it ever again inside the steps. So I'll set the camera up. I'll show you the steps and I'll set the camera up. Right, you can see here, this is the side that's just been primed for now. So that's sort of all ready to go. And that side over there, like I say, it's been painted. So I'll tidy that one up. Obviously ignore all the welds on that flitch panel over there. None of that's ground back because I can't get in there with the bracing in a way. So ignore that. We'll tidy it up in a bit. But yeah, task in hand today is to get this painted. So I'll set you up again and we'll get from there. I put some weld seal over my welds there. I'm not going to bother dressing them back. You can't see them. They're not protruding on the floor. So right, so let's get some paint on it. And we'll leave it at that. So a nice even coating. Covering it all up. That's that side done. Haven't got to prime that side because obviously it's already painted. So we'll let that dry and we'll put the top coat on. While that dries, I just thought I'll take the moment to just do a few announcements. I've got to 100 subscribers, which I was blown away by. I set little goals to meet them, and I've got past them way quicker than I thought. Can't thank you guys enough for that. I'm purely doing this because I want to document this stuff. I've done cars, or tried doing cars. I've done odd jobs on cars throughout the years, and it's nice to look back on it and reference, and if anything I'm doing can possibly help anyone else, then that's keeping the mini scene and the classic car scene alive. So I want to thank you everyone that has subscribed. People that are liking the videos, that's spot on. I'm blown away by it. I'm just another guy, doing a restoration and trying to keep a car on the road. So I'm getting some really great comments and great feedback. And also, if you've not checked out our Instagram page, check that out too. There's regular updates on there. There's photos of this going on there. There's photos of other meets and the other cars and going out and doing stuff. Those of you who haven't seen it, we've got a little sneak preview of our clubman. We put that up the other day, so go check that out if you've not seen it. That is coming soon. There's a few electrical problems with it at the moment. Hope to get through them. Good friend Tony, you know who you are. He's offered to sort of try and help and get through it. It's it's 48 years old and it's struggling with electrical stuff. So there's a few things we need to rewire, a few things we need to go through, and hopefully, like I say, he's booked in for IMM, so it should be there. But yeah, I wanted to just say a good thank you to, his name is Blue Oval Craig. He gave me a shout out on his channel. He's new to doing this as well, just like me. He's got a little red Mini that he's doing up. It looks like a cracking project. So please go and check out his channel, because it's another one we're trying to keep alive. So let's all keep together and keep these cars going. Mini Matt TV's commented on the last video, sorry, that's gone up. I watch all his videos, and it's, you all do everything you can do to keep these cars on the road, and it's so nice to see everything from different angles, different point of views, different people doing different things to their cars, modifications, original builds. Everyone has a method. No way is wrong and no way is right. It's how you feel comfortable to do it, and as long as the car is safe and right on the road. I don't ever profess this to be a concourse car. It's never going to be that when it's on the road, but it's going to be one bloody solid car with a lot of new metal. So that's how we're going with it. But yeah, I wanted to take the time, thank everyone for subscribing, and just to mention those two people. I think some of the other mini YouTubers have done they're doing a giveaway for PL Minis vouchers. So if you've not checked them out, go and check out some of the other people. DJ SC's doing it, Alex Toon, Mini Matt TV's doing it, and Juiced Mini's doing it. They're just a few I can think off the top of my head. So again, it's money that goes into the pot for the cars to be restored and kept on the road. So go ahead, go check their channels out, and get on that competition, because at $600, I think it equates to £507 or £470 in UK. So that's a lot of money to put into your car. So definitely go check that out. It's keeping them alive, like I said. So wait for this paint to dry, and we'll get the top coat on. So I just wanted to set the time to do that. So thank you. Right, welcome back again. The primer's dried now, so I'm happy with that. I've gone over and primed the areas on there and stuff that have been a bit exposed. What I have done is I've gone over with some masking tape, and I'll just show you now, so you can see along there and along there, because basically I want to keep that as primer, because it's weld through primer. So when I weld the floor, when the floor comes up, because you've got the inner seal coming there and then your outer seal there, I want to be able to drill the holes in there and stuff like that, and actually still have paint between the metal when I put the new panels in. So without further ado, let's get some top coat on it. It's always well worth taking these for ages as well, especially being a metallic, because I know it doesn't match it from the car, but it'll come out very watery otherwise. So get some colour on it. Absolutely love painting colour on this car. Beautiful colour. So just making sure, nice coverage. I have to go crazy with it, but just make sure you've got it everywhere, because we don't want to do this again. So yeah, that looks awesome. So covered that. I'll bob around and do that side, but I won't film that, because there's no point in watching it twice. But look how good that looks with colour. Look at that. Obviously you're not looking for a showroom finish, but I don't know if the light's picking up on it, but look at that metallic. Mini's never had that in between the seals. So sprayed all the way down there, all on there. That's all weld seal in there that you can see, covering up the weld. But yeah, everywhere I can on this car, this is what we'll be doing. So yeah. Right, so let's get this tape off here, and it should leave a nice primed surface. Paint to. So I'm not saying this is the right way or anything like that to do it, but I want to try and give the car a fighting chance of surviving and never needing this again. So yeah, like I say, it's just cool to see some colour on it. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. There's not really a lot we can do until the floor comes. Everything's primed, everything's sort of ready to go. I'm not going to drill any holes until I've trial fitted the floor a good few times yet. Yeah, next step floor. Thank you for watching. Like I said in my previous slide, go check out those channels for that giveaway, it's great, and check out those new people, because we're all trying to keep a car alive, and if you've got a similar interest, you'll like that too. So I'll leave you some shots of the nice shiny Nightfire red, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Bye. You got the same over there.